Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Nubia Neo 2. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, then click install. And click open. Now you have to click this button to skip introduction and then click not now, and now you have to click open permissions. Then click on AI assistant and you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps. Then you can go back and go back again and click start. And as you can see here, there is my Chat GPT widget and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.